Just a few words about myself and my colleague Teresa. So I'm David Moser, Managing Director of Becquerel Institute Italia, and I have more than 15 years of experience in the topic of PV modules and systems reliability.
All right, and my name is Teresa Barnes. I work at the National Renewable Energy Lab, although now we are just NREL again, in Colorado. I currently run the Duramat research program on PV module reliability. I've worked in that field about 8-9 years now, and been in PV for now 25 years.
That's good.
So previously in thin film or in TCOs and organic and pretty much all of it, actually.